We'll guide you through how to fix Claude AI not working. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the Claude AI website address. Make sure your internet connection is stable, since connectivity issues can often cause problems with AI services. Once you're on the home page, double-check that you're logged into your account. Sometimes, simply logging out and back in can resolve minor glitches. If it's still not working, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This helps eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the issue. To do this, go to your browser's settings, find the privacy section, and choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select cookies and cached images and files. After clearing them, refresh the Claude AI page. If you're still having trouble, disable any browser extensions or plugins you might have installed, as they can sometimes interfere with the site's functionality. You can do this by accessing your browser's extensions menu and toggling them off temporarily. Another step you can try is switching to a different browser altogether. Sometimes, compatibility issues between the AI platform and the browser can be the culprit. Lastly, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions can cause issues with running new technology smoothly. If all else fails, visiting the support section of Claude AI's website or contacting their customer service for further assistance can be a good idea. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.